India is the largest producer, consumer and exporter of spices in the world, with a total export of $3.62 billion. Most of the farmers who produce these spices come from a very humble background, and their only occupation is constantly under threat, especially in times of ongoing global COVID pandemic.
The Indian farmer per se is all marginal and small farmers. They are facing a lot of issues. The vagaries of nature, the changing climatic situations, fluctuating market prices, and absence of extension in the proper way to the interior villages are major challenges.
మొన్నటిదాకా లాక్డౌన్ పెట్టక ముందు 7,200 అట్లా 7,000 కొన్నారు క్వింటాలు. ఇది వచ్చిన తర్వాత లాక్డౌన్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత అక్కడ మార్కెట్ లేదు, ఇక్కడ ఇల్లు కొంటలు మద్దతు ధర లేక చాలా నష్టపోతున్నాం.
ఈ మెర చెట్లు పెడితే ఈ కూలీలు ఎక్కువ ఎవరు కూలీలు తీసుకొచ్చి రెట్టు పెట్టి కోపించి ఎండబెట్టి తీసుకుపోతే ఆడి వరకు రేట్లు దిగిపోయినాయని మళ్ళీ వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చిన పావులు తెచ్చి వీళ్ళకి ఇస్తే ఆ రేట్లు మందుల కొట్టాలకు వీళ్ళకి జాలక.
How can we address challenges in the spices value chain? The answer is by using blockchain technology. Blockchain is a decentralized electronic ledger that involves a peer-to-peer network. This peer-to-peer network will digitally connect all the stakeholders in the value chain, maintaining the accuracy of data. Blockchain technology will help farmers in providing a secure way of storing and managing data of their produces. It will enable traceability of information in the food supply chain and thus helps improve food safety and ensure food quality. Government of India's Spices Board, in partnership with UNDP Accelerator Lab India, are developing a blockchain-powered traceability, quality assurance and trading system for Indian spices. This initiative is supported by the Cabinet Office of Japan under the Japan SDGs Innovation Challenge 2020.
This partnership between UNDP and the Spices Board India using blockchain technology is an important milestone in UNDP's journey in India towards reducing poverty, transforming livelihoods, and building resilience. I sincerely believe that this blockchain technology and trading platform will help strengthen the spices value chain and support India's efforts to build back better.
Earlier, Spices Board India, together with the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India, launched an online portal known as eSpice Bazaar to demonstrate traceability of Indian spices and to facilitate better price realization to the farmers for their produce. Recently, Spices Board India and UNDP have launched a joint initiative to power this eSpice Bazaar platform with blockchain technology. I am sure this new initiative will help the efforts of Spices Board India to make the spice value chain more efficient, transparent, equitable and beneficial to all the stakeholders of the spices sector.
And once it is installed, the consumers will get to know the source of their food, the right price they are paying for it, the identity of its seller and its trader, while ensuring the quality of it. Thus, let us leverage the power of new and emerging technologies such as blockchain to empower spice farmers, enhance their profits, and give them their due place in the value chain for their enormous contribution.